So this is the output. We have our image and our text. So let us check how responsive it is. Let me resize the window. You can see how responsive it is. So watch to the end how I fully explain this. So I'm going to teach you how to align your text responsively using HTML and CSS. First thing you want to do now is to open your HTML tab and let me write in my title aligning image and text. Having done that, I actually created a new file align.html and then a CSS file design.css, and I have an image already in my directory. So having said much, I want to link my HTML to my CSS. Design.css. Let's get started. So I want to the first thing now I'm doing is that I'm opening a div class with the class name house underscore image underscore text. And after doing that, I also want to open another div tag only for the image. And the name of my image is cat.png. So I want to write it here, cat.png. And immediately after that image only, I want to have another, which is text only. I want to save it and preview it. But before that, let me just add a dummy text. And after doing that one, I want to preview the output now. Open in browser. The image is very large. So let me go to my CSS and start my designing. So I want to make my body and the background to be white smoke. The next one, my house underscore image underscore text. I want to give a background of white background. Then image only. I want to limit it width to, let me just say 45%. And then I want my image the width to be exactly 100% of it. So I've successfully done that. I made my image only to the width to be 45% and the image within the image only div to be about 100%. And after doing that, I want to target my text only and make the width. My text only, I want my width to be 45% also. Yes, exactly. And after doing that, this is my house underscore image underscore text. I want it to display flex. And after doing that, I also want to give them a general padding about 10 pixels. And after doing that, I also want to give my text only a padding of 10 pixel. And as much as I said that the display should reflect, I also want to align the items to the center, so it is looking more better like this. So let me preview this in a larger screen. This is it here. I want to increase my text. I give it a font size of 16 pixel. I just want to give it let me see line height of 30 pixel. Take this and preview it. Okay, so I prefer how the text is looking currently. I want the text to be justified. Yes, I want it to be way more neat. So this is a clear output of it on a larger screen. So I want to build now currently for a mobile device. If you don't have any knowledge using media screen, please watch to the end of this video. There is a video in the description below that gives you a brief tutorial on media screen. Or you can simply watch to the end of this video and click on the end screen that will pop out media screen. So let's straight on media screen. At media screen and max width 800 pixels. So a device that is 800 pixels below will be this command. I want to edit everything. Firstly, I want my image to be 100%. And then this also to be 100%. Now give value. There is no need of you putting your unit display, and I want my display. I don't want it to be flex, I want it to be grid. Right. Now yes, you can clearly see now that for a smaller device it is properly resizing, and for a larger screen it is maintaining the normal nature. So that's the power of Art Media Screen. I'm very much grateful. Please, if you've not, make sure you subscribe, you like and share this video. It helps us to continue to produce more of this content. And if there is any part you don't understand, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much. Well, you can click on any of the above videos, the media queries, or the other video showing. Make sure you subscribe. Thank you very much.